Okay, now this is a symmetrical figure. If you draw a symmetrical line, whatever the resistors are here, the same resistors are that side. Okay, so this is a symmetrical figure. So whenever symmetry comes in this type of figures, what are you going to do? You know, क्या करना मालूम यहाँ पर एक सिमेट्री का फिगर है तो जो भी सिमेट्री के पास जो जॉइंट आ रहा ना उसको जॉइंट को निकाल देना. यू हैव टू रिमूव द जॉइंट लाइक दिस. ओके, इसको जॉइंट को कैंसिल कर देना पड़ता. दैट मींस यू हैव टू रिमूव द जॉइंट लाइक दिस. Like this, you have to remove the joint. If you remove the joint, what are you going to get? Let us see. So this is R, and this is R. Totally how much? R is nothing but 2R. No, 2R is in parallel with R. That means how much? 2R into R is 2R square by 2R plus R is 3R. So R gets cancelled. 2R by 3. मतलब क्या? इसका पूरे का combination क्या है? 2R by 3 है. This is R and this is R. 2R by 3 is in series with the 2R. 2R by 3 is in series with 2R means how much? Okay, so here 2R by 3, R plus R 2R means you have to add them because this is in series. So how much you'll be getting? 2R, fourth, this is 1, LCM is 3, so 3 ones, 1 3s are 3 plus 6 ohms. So how much? 8 R by 3 you are getting. इसका मतलब क्या? What is the meaning of this? ये जितना भी पूरा ऊपर का पार्ट है कितना आराम को इट इज 8R by 3 और नीचे जितना भी पार्ट है यहाँ पर सेम ऊपर के पार्ट के ऐसा है ना ये भी इट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बिकम 8R by 3. नाउ आई विल राइट एन इक्वेशन. नाउ यहाँ पर देखो ऊपर वाला क्या जी 2R by 3 सॉरी क्या है ये 8R by 3 नीचे वाला 8R by 3 बीच में क्या है R and R it is 2R. okay, so 8R by 3 they are parallel and they are same. इसका मतलब इसका आधा हो गया आंसर ऊपर का नीचे का कितना आधा मतलब it is 4R by 3. नो ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन क्या करेंगे ऊपर डाल देंगे. हाउ मच 4R by 3. ये 4R by 3 किसको पैरेलल है 2R को पैरेलल है. ओके, सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू नाउ? So parallel combination 4R by 3 into R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 into 2R divided by 4R by 3 plus 2R. So क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? It is how much? 4 to the 8R square by 3 divided by LCM कर दो इसको 3 नीचे आएगा ऊपर क्या आ रहा 4R plus 1 3 to the 6R. So 3 gets cancelled. What is left now? 8R square by 4 plus 6 is nothing but 10R. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पर कैंसिल हो जाता है R square R cancel 4 2 4 is 8 2 5 is 10. So your answer is 4 by 5R 4R by 5 4 by 5R or 4R by 5 is going to be our answer. Okay, तो इस तरह सॉल्व करना है इस प्रॉब्लम. Okay, now this is also symmetric case. So this is also symmetric case. यहाँ पर बीच में एक लाइन डाल दो तो इट्स अ सिमेट्री. और you can also call as this is a complex Wheatstone bridge बोल के बोल सकते हैं. इसको बीच में से करंट पास नहीं होता. तो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट नाउ? ऊपर क्या है 2R, बीच में क्या है 2R और लास्ट में क्या है इज ऑल्सो 2R. So R net in parallel combination when 3 resistors are same and they are parallel, I told you it is going to become R by N. So N means number of parallel connections means 2R by 3 होता. 3 are parallel, no? 2R by 3 is going to be answer. इसका आंसर क्या है 2R by 3. Okay, so this is the another question here. तो यहाँ पर क्या है there are 2 batteries. This is positive and negative. This is positive and negative. And these are the resistors. How many? 1, 2, 3 resistors are there. So the simple way to solve is I is equal to इसको क्या है Ohm's law यूज करो. Kirchhoff's law यूज करेंगे तो भी कर सकते हैं मगर ये कॉम्प्लेक्स वाला पूरा दिमाग खराब करता है. Kirchhoff's law is very dangerous. You will forget minus plus signs which will not get any answer. इसलिए Kirchhoff's law बोल तो डर जाते. करंट बोल तो डर जाते. ऐसा सर्किट से तो छोड़ के आया सर कहीं को सर टाइम वेस्ट हो. So I is equal to V net by R net लिख सकते हैं. मैं बोलता हूँ EMF net by R net भी लिख सकते हैं. कितना है EMF यहाँ पर 10 volts, but the direction is opposite, so you have to take a difference. So 10 minus 5. Okay. तो और क्या है 2 ohms. R net means you have to add all these 3 are in series connection. So 2 plus 1 is nothing but 5. So therefore 5 by 5. 1 ampere is flowing in the circuit. कितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा मतलब 1 ampere is flowing in this y. Okay, so now you can just see here. This type of challenging questions are there in previous year. ये भी previous year का question है. Is asking us to find out the potential across A, B. A के और B के बीच का potential पूछ रहा. Potential across these two. First of all, you have to find out what is the current. See, this is a battery having a internal resistance 1 ohm. Here also 1 ohm is there. Now, what is the total resistance? See, this combination. This is 6 ohms. This is also 6 ohms. 6 to 6 parallel means net will be how much? 3. Half of any one. ये 3 है. 3 plus total resistance कितना हो रहा है यहाँ पर? This total is this is 3. This total is going to become 3 here. So 3 plus 1 is how much? 3 plus 1 is nothing but 5 ohms. E net is how much? 10 ohms. Sorry, 10 volts. Okay. Then what is the total current here? Total current is nothing but E by R net. E कितना दिया? E net 10, R net 5. So 2 amperes. So how much is the current flowing in this circuit? 2 amperes. अब देखो यहाँ पर 2 amperes current is flowing. 2 amperes is flowing. Here also 6 ohms. Here also 6 ohms. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 6 here also. So when resistors are same, current divides equally. Here 1 ampere. Here also 1 ampere. Take this point as P now. Okay. Take this point as P. From here to here, I will take one equation. Vp minus Va is equal to I into R, which is nothing but Vp minus Va is equal to I into R. मतलब क्या? 1 into 4, 4 volts. Next, Vp minus Vb is equal to how much? 1 ampere here. 1 ampere into 2. 1 into 2 is 2 volts. Let us take this as equation number 1. This is 2. ये दोनों equations को क्या करेंगे अभी? We want how much? Va minus Vb हमको होना है. What is that you are wanting here? Va minus Vb you want, isn't it? So Va minus Vb आना हो तो क्या करना? If you do 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 if you do, you'll get that one. See, अभी देखो Vp minus Vb, this is 2. Minus Vp, minus of minus is plus Va, is equal to how much? 2 minus 4. Okay, so Vb gets cancelled. Sorry. Vp minus V. तो क्या कैंसिल हो रहा है यहाँ पर? Vp gets cancelled. So minus Vp plus Va. So Va minus Vb is equal to 2 minus, it's going to be minus 2. So your answer is how much? Minus 2. Okay. So if you do 1 minus 2 करेंगे तो क्या होता मालूम? You will be getting Va minus Vb. Sorry, Vb minus Va आता. अगर क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा? Va minus Vb पूछ रहा. अगर he is asking Vb minus Va. If he asks Vb minus Va, you have to subtract 1 minus 2 करना. 1 minus 2 if you do Vp minus Va minus Vb plus Vb means Vb minus Va you will get, and 4 minus 2 you will get positive answer. Okay, so depending upon the question. Okay, so let me stop the class.